Hello everyone and welcome to this Acadlix tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to publish your quizzes anywhere on your WordPress website using the Acadlix Gutenberg blocks. The entire process takes just a few clicks and you don't need to write any code. Let's get started. Before publishing a quiz, you need to create one inside Acadlix. Go to Acadlix, then Quizzes and create your quiz as usual. Configure the quiz settings and then save the quiz and then add your questions. Once your quiz is ready, we can publish it using the Gutenberg. So now navigate to the post, then click on the add new, or you can also publish it on the pages. Open the Gutenberg editor where you want to display the quiz. Now click on the plus icon to add a new block and search for the Acadlix quiz. Select the Acadlix quiz block from the block list. As soon as you add the block, Acadlix will display the quiz settings panel. From the quiz drop-down, select the quiz that you want to publish. Once selected, Acadlix will automatically load the quiz settings using the default template. You can already preview how the quiz will appear on the front end. If you want to use the different quiz layout, simply select the template from the template drop-down. Choose the template that best fits your requirement. Next, select the information you want to display on the front end. For example, you can choose whether to display category, time, questions, points, attempts, start date, end date, or description. Simply enable or disable the fields according to your needs. Once everything looks good, click on the publish button. That's it. Your quiz is now live on your website. Let's take a look at the published page. As you can see, the quiz is displayed exactly as configured in the Gutenberg block settings. Visitor can now access and attempt the quiz directly from this page. And that's all. With Acadlix Gutenberg blocks, publishing quiz is incredibly simple. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next Acadlix tutorial.